Well, another day, another dollar spent. And here we are with this great maiden flight. We hope it's going to be a great maiden flight. It's a Flyfans K-8 here at the beach on a beautiful day before the weather closes in. It's the first day of spring, and so we will make this a spring flight indeed. I can hear an aircraft up there somewhere. It's way up, taking some parachutists up, I think. But anyhow, the tide is on its way in, so I'll have to make this quick, and we'll see how this little jet, the 64mm jet, flies. A bit more touchy than the other one. A bit bumpy up there. Try and bring it in low. Not as stable as the Sabre, but never mind, she seems to be flying okay. Adjust the rates to it. Rides forever. Into the water. We lost the wheel somewhere. Somewhere we have lost the wheel. It ripped out. Now, I better go find that wheel. I see the wheel. Can you see it? Before that water gets to it. Just stopped short of it, which is good. There it is. Easily glued back in again, but she was very touchy indeed. I'll have to drop those rates right down. Well, other than the wheel loss, which is there, the plane flew quite well, but it was a little harder to handle than the other jets that I've had, so I'm going to have to, as I said, drop the rates right down to make it a bit more calmer. But at least I got it up, and there's no other damage other than that wheel. It's where I came in quite hard at the very end. Everything else is okay. Give it a freshwater wash down and apply some protective spray on it, and she'll be up and ready to fly again. After that flight, we'll just check the strength of the battery, see what it's reading. 68%, not bad for that very short flight before the little crash. It's a zippy 2,200 and it's a 4-cell, so it doesn't do too bad in these little planes. Well, that was the flight of the K-8. A little erratic. We'll have to adjust the throws, as I said before, on the control surfaces and make sure it flies a little bit better next time. But the gyro worked. It was just that very vicious crosswind that's coming across at the moment that really throws it about on landing. The Sabre handled it a lot better, but this one will be quite good once we've tamed it down. And we've got the wheel, quick glue, no other damage on it, so it should be all ready to fly again when we get the weather correct after the next 3 or 4 days. But in the meantime, thanks for joining us on our first flight, and we'll see you on the next video.